Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams.
On the left, we have the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit, and on the right, we have the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K plus 108 OP with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi.
Let the battle begin. Let's start with the price tag. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at a cool $25, while the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K plus 108 OP with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi is priced at $119.
That's quite a difference.
So if you're on a tight budget, the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit might be the better option for you. Now let's dive into the features.
The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is compatible with 12 to 24 volts vehicles, perfect for cars, trucks, buses, SUVs, or even big rigs.
It also offers 24/7 parking surveillance, protecting your vehicle against theft. With its AC mode and low voltage protection, you don't have to worry about draining your battery.
On the other hand, the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K plus 108 OP with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi comes with some serious upgrades. It captures both the front and rear views simultaneously, ensuring you never miss a moment. With its built-in Wi-Fi and app control, you can easily download, edit, and share your footage.
Plus, it has a compact design that won't obstruct your vision while driving. Let's talk about video quality.
The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit offers reliable video recording, but it doesn't quite match up to the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K plus 108 OP with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi.
With its 2K plus 108 OP front and rear dual dash cam, you'll capture crystal clear footage from every angle. And if you unplug the rear camera, you can even record in stunning 4K Ultra HD.
When it comes to night vision, the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K plus 108 OP with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi takes the spotlight. Its GCC CMOS sensor and f1.5 aperture deliver exceptional color precision and clarity even in extreme dark scenarios.
You'll never miss a detail whether it's day or night. Now let's talk about storage. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit supports Type-C dash cams, GPS navigators, and radar detectors.
However, it doesn't work with other Vantrue dash cams. On the other hand, the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K plus 108 OP with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi comes with a 64GB SD card included and supports up to a whopping 256GB. That's plenty of space for all your recordings. Last but not least, let's discuss warranty.
The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit doesn't specify its warranty, so it's a bit of a mystery.
However, the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K plus 108 OP with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi comes with a full 1-year warranty, ensuring you're covered if anything goes wrong.
Both cameras have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget.
And that concludes our showdown between the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K plus 108 OP with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get your hands on these awesome dash cams. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more unbiased product comparisons.
And remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to making smart buying decisions. See you next time.